my favorite time of the day, man. The fingers song. Here we go. Fingers. Yo, what's going on, man? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bathwater said he's hornies already. Let's get it. ETH dumping, Bitcoin dumping, altcoins coming back down. Who could have saw this coming? Bull market's still on, baby. What's going on, man? We're talking about some crypto today. Everyone had a fantastic day. Celtics lost. You gotta be shitting me, man. All right, see you guys in a second. Yo, what's going on, man? What's up, Drew? What's going on, JW? Mike, Robert, David, TK, Uptick Mommy. Oh no, Uptick Miami. What's going on, man? I couldn't read your thing there. All right, guys, we're gonna talk some Bitcoin. We're gonna talk some Ethereum coming down pretty hard today. ETH coming down. ETH coming down really fast. Someone said, "Oh, we're not gonna see these levels again for ETH," and there it is. So, we're gonna talk some altcoins. Some fun stuff going on in the charts. Will we go lower? Is this the bottom? Let's find out in just a second, man. All right, let's get it started. Hold up. Give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'll be right back. Hold on, guys. Get started here in just a second. All right, we almost got done. Let me put some salt on it. Let me put some salt. Yes! Yes! Jordan's sock is almost done. We're almost there. Hey, Bulls, who else is eating a sock? Who's going to eat a sock with Jordan? Let me put some more salt on. Here we go. Here we go. Let me flip it. Yeah, flip it like a pancake. There we go. Let's go. Jordan's going to eat the sock. I'm so freaking rich. I'm more rich than Bill Gates, Elon Musk. I'm so freaking rich. Screw Melissa. I can get everyone now. Let's go. Let me flip it again. There we go. Little extra salt. Some garlic powder. There we go. Yes. Yes. Yo. Hold on. Yo, what's going on, man? Job is already going to piss me off today. I don't want to see that. I do not want to see that, okay? I do not want to see that. Brand new sock is cheating. Oh, man, Job has been cooking my sock for a long time, man. For a long freaking time. What's going on, man? So, we got Bitcoin coming down a little bit lower. Trying to bounce back up right now, but we'll see if that's going to last here. We got Ethereum dumping, down about 6% today. We got some interesting stuff to talk about because Ethereum is breaking some interesting levels that we'll take a look at. And we have other altcoins coming down pretty hard too. So we'll talk about all that today. Hope you guys had a fantastic Friday night and so far a fantastic Saturday morning, even though the crypto markets are coming down. But it's okay. If we know how to take advantage of it, we can take advantage of it. All right? So let's see what you guys are saying in the chat. It's Saturday. Papa Truly, tough guy. Papa Truly. Papa Truly. We got coffee this morning, man. We'll probably have some Truly. I'm not going to have any Trulies, but I'm going to probably have some beers later. But, drink it again? Oh, no. I got coffee, man. Celtics lost last night, guys. So, you know, I'm a little bit unhappy this morning, okay? A little bit unhappy. You guys can probably tell by my demeanor. Very, very unhappy. Celtics lost, and, you know, quite frankly, you know, it's a terrible day. It's a terrible day. The crypto's coming down. Celtics lost. But, hey, we're on here streaming, so I guess it's maybe not that terrible of a day. You know what I mean? Pop some whiskey. I probably need to put some whiskey in that coffee this morning, man. I probably do. Yeah, guys, if you could smack that like button up. Let's try to get to 600 likes this morning. I know that's a pretty high goal, considering it is a morning stream. It's Saturday. Probably have lower viewership this morning. But if we can hit 600 likes, that would be freaking awesome for you, boy. Save some of those Instagram likes for those chicks for me. Smack that like button up to a new all-time high, as Crypto would say. All right. Let's jump back in, guys. So we know last night we got the close of death. And the close of death is kind of dramatic, guys. The close of death is kind of dramatic, but we were watching this bear flag for Bitcoin, right? Where we had upward sloping support, upward sloping resistance, and we smacked that to the downside. We got the daily close right below the support, right? Right below the support. And now we're getting continuation to the downside. We're seeing altcoins continue down with Bitcoin. We're seeing Ethereum. If we go to the daily chart, we're seeing Ethereum break down from our lows that we were talking about. Already breaking that first support level I was looking at about 1574. Already smacking that level. And could we be seeing Ethereum coming back down and testing its previous high? That should give us an interesting indication where do we think that Bitcoin could do it, right? I know a lot of people are like, Bitcoin will never break its previous all-time highs. You know, we'll see if Ethereum could do it, if it can reach back down to this level, man. So we'll check out that today. We got Bitcoin trying to bounce back up right here, guys. So as we know, nothing goes back down in a straight line. We did have this little bear flag that we were looking at last night right here kind of play out. So we had the drop here for Bitcoin. We moseyed up in a channel, right? Bear flag. We came back up to the 50 EMA. Couldn't just sustain it, man. We got back above it, tried to hold it, couldn't break that previous high, and then we just dumped right back down to the downside. And I'm sure we actually hit our target here. I'm sure we actually hit our target. Right, from the swing high to the swing low. We actually put this to the downside. I'm sure we hit relatively, not quite yet, but relatively close to the target. Right now, Bitcoin probably needs a little bit of retrace, as it hasn't came back up to test that 50 EMA in a long time here in the 15-minute chart. Never mind the hourly chart. It probably needs a slight retrace here. But let's keep an eye on this. I'll tell you this, man. I'm not putting any long positions in at the current moment. I said, man, I'm not trying to catch a falling knife, especially on these freaking altcoins. I ain't trying to catch a falling knife right now. I'll tell you that. You gotta love the sweet, sweet, sweet nectar, man. The sweet, sweet, sweet nectar. You gotta love it this morning. You need to talk about Bitcoin dominance being at only 48. Facts. All right. Let's look at a few other things here. Let's have George come up. Guys, you guys need some hopium this morning? Let's have George come up. You guys probably need some hope. All right, give me 1 second. We're going to grab George. George, come on, buddy. No. George, you're fine. They need some hopium, okay? I talk bearish stuff all day, every single day. They need some hopium. Come on, George. No one's mad at you. No one's mad at you for saying and building a base at 30K. No one's mad at you. Come on. Okay, guys, George is coming up here. Don't be mad at him. He's just a bull. Okay, hold on 1 sec. Come on, George. Go on. Hop on. Get up. Gosh, take off my hat for this. I didn't want to come on this morning. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today, the bearish trend continues, okay? This is not a bear market. The bearish trend is continuing. But if you see, Bitcoin is bouncing back up to the upside here very, very nicely. And it looks like we have built a very, very strong base at about $28,000 here, right? $28,000. Bitcoin is pumping straight back up to the upside here. And I think this could be the start of the next bull market here. If we actually zoom out, you guys can see how big the start of this bull market actually is. Let's zoom out and see how big of a pump that this actually is. Look at this pump that Bitcoin's getting right now. This is the start of the next bull market, guys. Make sure you DCA, make sure you hodl, and continue to keep the eye on the prize as the price goes down, okay? So other than that, I don't really have much else to tell you guys today. No really news. Other than that, guys, just continue to hodl, continue to DCA, and we'll get through this, guys. We'll get through this. Okay. Now let's do some Q&A. Any guys, got any questions for me in the chat? Any questions? Bitcoin gonna go up? Yeah, obviously Bitcoin gonna go up. Yeah. Can you please look at link? No, I don't look at altcoins right now, man. What is the start of the bull run? Right here, man. The start of the bull run is right at the bottom here. Oh, lordy. All right, let me put this back on, man. Put this back on. No one's asking any questions in the chat. All right. Let's jump back into Bitcoin, guys. So, listen, man. We said yesterday, all right, if Bitcoin gets a daily close below this level right here, where we get that daily close below, that's going to be the signal where I'm looking for, where Bitcoin maybe gets that second leg down to the downside. Now, let's be very, very vigilant. Let's be very, very vigilant here, because I want you guys to have a plan. I said a million times, guys. Okay? I want you guys to have a plan, because if Bitcoin does come back down here, I don't want you to be making a plan out of fear, okay? You should have made your plan while Bitcoin is up here. Now, in reality, has it really broken out of a range yet? No. Until it breaks 28.6, right, where we had these previous daily closes. We had a previous daily close right here at about 28.7, previous daily close right here about 28.6. We're still just in our range, but I want you guys to make a plan now. Before this breaks, which I do think it's going to break at some point, maybe it doesn't happen right away, maybe it comes back up first to come back down, just like it did up here in this bear flag, right? Where you broke to the downside, you came back up, back tested, and then you came back down, right? But I want you guys to make a plan before whatever happens, right? And I think right now is a great time for a plan. You know, whether the market goes back up, the market goes back down. Have a plan for both scenarios. Don't be so pigeoned into one scenario, okay? Now, what I'll say is we did break that M formation, where we had sort of the M formation on the daily. Not a massive M formation, but we had to move to the upside, downside, move to the upside, and now we're getting that move to the downside. We broke that neckline right about 29,000. We broke that neckline yesterday on a close, right? So far, daily's looking a little shady. Daily stock RSI also has room to run to the downside, all right? So, but the good thing is, guys, if we take this from a bullish perspective, all right, as the price comes down, we're going to let that daily stock RSI reset. And I've been saying consistently, I can't see Bitcoin having a rally until we get the daily stock RSI reset, all right? I couldn't see it. I kept saying the same thing, right? We kept getting fake pumps. I just could not see Bitcoin having a rally until we reset that. But we are starting to reset that, which is awesome. Let's continue to reset that and go from there, man. All right? So that's what I'm looking for on the daily time frame. If we actually go back to the 15-minute, let's go check the 4-hour time frame real quick. So, I mean, in reality, if we zoom out, guys, if we zoom out right here, Bitcoin's still at support, right? So all is not lost just yet, right? We have a hit, 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 and we have a hit. So this is really the point where Bitcoin's came back down to multiple times and gotten a bounce, okay? So, you know, as we always like to say, don't be putting shorts in at support, okay? This is support, so just like we don't want a long resistance, don't be short in support, all right? At the same point, I wouldn't put any longs in because I'm not trying to catch a falling knife either, so you guys got to do what you want to do. I'm sitting out of trades at the current moment. You guys can do what you want to do. But that's kind of the way I'm looking at the market right now, man. You're still sitting right at support. So we got to wait for this level to break, and that's going to be the point where we can get that move, that final big move to the downside, and get this W pattern that we've been talking about for freaking weeks. You know what I'm saying? For freaking weeks. All right? Let's see. What you guys saying here? Folks gonna have to eat pigeons soon to save monies. We'll see. Brian said support. That's hilarious. It is support, man. Bitcoin's bounced from this level a million times. Will it hold? I mean, the more times we hit it, the less chance of it actually holding. You know what I'm saying? Less chance of actually holding. Now, going back here to the let's go back to like the hourly time frame. We said that Bitcoin hasn't came back up and tested the 50 EMA in forever, man. At some point, it's going to come back up and retrace to this. Is this going to be the point where it does it? Let's see. You have a yellow vector candle popping up right here. Now, you can get multiple of them before you pull back, but we have a yellow vector candle popping up right here, right? So that usually means that you're going to come back down and take this at some point, right? You have a wick and a yellow vector candle down here. Usually means you're going to come back down and take that. We could do it now, or we could continue up and then we can pull back. Either way, I think it's coming back down to this range. So if Bitcoin does get a rally up here, right? Say if Bitcoin does rally up, right? Bop, 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 comes up to the 50 EMA, I'd still be expecting a pullback back into this range, man. It always comes back down to those levels. So be patient of that. But if it does do that, if it goes bop, 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 and then comes bop, 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 all right, look for that W formation back to the upside possibly, all right? Because we always wait for the retrace back to the 50 EMA, right? And then the W patterns to put in my longs, right? That's what I do. You guys do what you want to do, but it is what it is. Bitcoin never just bottoms one time. It always has a W reversal before it goes back to the upside, or same towards the top side. Everyone goes back to the downside, right? Let me see. Rover said yellow vector candle signal the next bull market. Vector candle. Please stop, Jordan. Guys, if you don't understand vector candles, don't be hating. It means you just don't understand it. Here's what I'll say, man. Quick rant alert.
Rant alert.
Anyone that wants to hate on the vector candles, man, it's just because you don't understand it, and you guys just want to look at symmetrical triangles that don't work, if I'm going to be honest. I'm just being honest. You can go watch Call of the Moon for that, and to be honest, that stuff doesn't work. And just because you don't understand it. What it kind of sounds like is when people don't understand crypto, and they go, crypto's a scam. Oh, crypto. That's what it sounds like to me. All right? I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest, man. I'm just being honest. Don't hate because you don't understand. Go learn. All right. So what else we got? So that's really, I mean, guys, there's not really much to say. I mean, Bitcoin's coming down. Altcoins coming down. Right? Altcoins coming down. So the weekly time frame, this is still, I see it playing out, man. I've been telling you guys. Oh, here we go, man. Shit. Wait, what car is that? Man? What car is that? Shit. I mean, let me call my butler. Excuse me? What? Can you figure out what car that is? I can't tell based off the alarm. Is it the Lambo? Is it the Ferrari? Is it the Mercedes? No, I just got another Lambo the other day. It's my third Lambo. Oh, it's the blue one? Okay, yeah, can you turn off the car alarm? Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm going to give you a fat tip later. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. We love the car. Oh, we're still driving. We love the car alarms here, man. We love the car alarms. You know what I'm saying? Maya breaking into cars again? She is. You know what's funny? I never think it's mine when the car alarm's going off. You know, I never know if it's people just setting it off to try to find their car, or if it's or if it's or if it's someone breaking into a car. I never think it's someone breaking into my car though, which is good. All right, so weekly time frame. I've been saying, guys, I mean, the weekly doesn't look great, and it's going to continue down, and I still expect the same thing, right? I mean, what we kind of said is we had this red box of support, or now is resistance, right? So we had previous support on the weekly close, all right? We dumped below it. We came back up. Look at the wicks. You got rejected right off that level, and now it looks like Bitcoin wants to have continuation back down to the downside. That's all it really looked like. If you want to keep it super, super simple, that's really all it looked like. Now, I saw other people on YouTube saying, bull market is starting, right? I saw thumbnails yesterday. Bull market starting. Guys, do we see the macro freaking economy going on right now? And I don't want to sound like a meme, okay? What is this, man? Get out of here. Get the freak out of here. What is this arrow? Get out of here, bro. Why is this arrow stuck like that? What is this? Oh, man. Come on, bro. Get out of here. You got to be kidding me, man. Whoa! All right, let me click on something else. It's still... There we go. I was like, why is that arrow going nuts, man? I was clicking. I saw people, listen, man, I told you guys, I don't want to sound like a meme, but listen, how is a bull market going to start right now, man? People can't even afford groceries, okay? People using their credit cards like crazy. Tell me how a bull market's going to start right now. Please someone tell me, okay? Please someone tell me, man. It is what it is. I don't know what to tell you. Man. All right. All I'm going to say right now, okay? All I'm going to say right now is we're getting a freaking gift. You guys got to make sure you're taking advantage of the gift. I don't think we're going to start a bull market right now, okay? I'm going to be honest. I don't think there's any chance of Bitcoin starting a bull market right now. Zero, absolutely zero. If it happens, all right, we're awesome. We're on to the races. I don't think there's a chance for that. If I'm going to be real, I'm going to keep it real. All right. At the same token, if we do continue lower or we stay in this range, make sure you guys take advantage, because I think that even the prices we're at right now, if we go lower, I still think these are going to be life-changing prices. So make sure you guys are paying attention to the market at these times, man, because I don't want you to miss out. At some point, I do think we're going to have that big dump that's going to be life-changing, man. I do think it's coming at some point where people are just going to start capitulating. I do think that is coming, and I don't want people to miss out, because that's going to be the point where you get in at absolutely nut burgers prices, and that's going to be the life-changing wealth that you guys are looking for. So make sure you guys are paying attention to the market. I'm looking at something like this to still play out. I'm looking for that dump back down here to take the wick, move back up to this range, move back down to the 200 SMA, and then it continue move to the maybe to the upside or just sideways, right? We could do something like this where you stay sideways. But in reality, I'm still looking for something along these lines. Not crazy moves, but something along the lines of this. This is basically what I'm looking for here in the next couple weeks to months, which sounds kind of boring, but if you're able to take advantage of it, I do think this is going to be awesome stuff, man. You had a life-changing dump this morning, Wayne. Nice job, man. Nice job, man. My dump this morning was the biggest I ever took. Facts. Let's see. Crane said, imagine this. The dollar is getting stronger, BTC is going down. So the value to play is to wait, because you get the most bang for your buck. 25K was a buy because of super value. I agree, Crane. I agree. All right, so what's Bitcoin doing in the short term? Bitcoin looks like it might be coming back down. We said we had a vector candle back down here. Let's see if it gets taken. For all you vector candle haters, right? Let's see if it comes back down and gets taken again, all right? Let's see. All right, let's see. So, we know we had the stock. Listen, we know we had the stock market dumping. What we said going into next week, right? We'll talk about more of this tomorrow on Sunday, on the weekly close night. But we know we have a gap up here on the S&P, right? And on the Nasdaq. So just be careful next week. You could see something where they come back up to fill that gap before pushing it back to the downside. You could also see a scenario where, and this is why I stay vigilant, but you could also see a scenario where they continue to dump on Monday and then they come back up and take it, right? So just make sure we're paying attention to the stock market coming on Monday. Either way, I think they're going to come back up and take this at some freaking point, all right? So make sure we're watching this. Tether dominance. Here's what I'm watching here, guys, and this could get very, very interesting, right? So Tether dominance is something we've been watching. We know we have this wick up here for Tether dominance, man, right? We have this wick up here for Tether dominance. Are they going to come back up and take this, right? So we've been watching Tether dominance for weeks on this channel, right? And we have this downtrend of resistance on Tether dominance. Look at where we're sitting right now. We're sitting right at that resistance point. Let's see where this goes this weekend. But if this breaks out, I think there's a high chance that Tether dominance could be seeing a move up into this wick. And that could be the point where crypto gets absolutely decimated. So I'm just being real with you. We got to watch this. This is serious stuff. If this breaks to the upside, man, that's where that point where I could see that little capitulation event where people are moving crypto into stablecoins, right? So just be careful of that. You're sitting right there. That could be a pretty big move there if that breaks to the upside, man. Just be wary of that. I know no one wants to pay attention to it now, but when it does happen, in hindsight, we'll go, oh, we never saw this coming. Just be wary of it, okay? I'm just telling you what I see on the charts. Just be wary of it, man. If that breaks to the upside, bada bing, bada boom, you're gonna see that. You got to see that capitulation event for especially altcoins. You'll see it. I mean, you already kind of seen it. Let's go check out Ethereum. Major downtrend started when Rodney got. Yeah, we got to make sure we got to make sure we see. Major downtrend started when Rodney got laid, and he's been missing ever since. That's true. Where did Rodney go? Maybe he got kidnapped by the lady he got laid. That's why. He was so excited he got laid, man. It's how you can tell that it's been a long time for him. But yeah. So I guess maybe he got kidnapped. We gotta put something out for Rodney, man. What happened to Rodney? All right, Ethereum. What are we looking at for Ethereum, man? Because Ethereum broke that first level I was looking at. I was looking at this level right around about 15, where is it? 1574. ETH smacked that level to the downside. And it looks like it just has some continuation there. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's still coming back down. Ethereum 1561. Guys, the level we want to see hold for ETH is that previous all-time high. The previous all-time high was literally... someone said he got a heart attack. 600 likes and Jordan eats White Castle. Oh, Lord, man. All right, we'll do this. We'll do this. If we get 600 likes on today's stream, I will get White Castle on Sunday. Sound like a deal? I think that's a pretty fair deal. So smack up the like button. If you want to see me eat White Castle, I will eat it on stream with you guys. Okay? And you guys will see my disgusted face on my face. 600 likes and I'll get White Castle. All right? Let me know in the chat. But yeah, ETH's previous all-time high, 1463. Will we see that hold, man? We're getting super, super close. We're getting really, really close to see if that wants to hold. You know, if we can look at what else we got, I mean, that should be some pretty strong support there. After that, there's really not much below you, man. There's really not much below you. I mean, we got a vector candle on ETH all the way back down to $776. We got one all the way back down here at $675. Let's just ignore those for now. Let's act like those don't exist, please. But those are definitely something to pay attention to if we break the previous all-time high. That's the first level I'm looking at, man, is that 1463 level right here for Ethereum to hold initially, man. All right, so I'm going to watch that very, very closely. White Castle or Summer Java Sock? No, man. ETH down to $500, my buy zone. Oh, look, Crunk, don't be saying that in the chat, man. Don't be saying that in the chat. I gave you the like to eat Whataburger on stream. Whataburger? Oh, Lord. Let's just ignore it. We want to use vector candles when they help us. We don't want to go back down to $500, man. We don't want to go back down there. And the sock all day. The market is naturally finding a fair price for ETH, as some participants need to find liquidity. This creates an opportunity for others to buy ETH at significant discount. Facts. Facts. Dude, if ETH goes to $500, oh, Lord, man. That's crazy because you get the second biggest coin, okay? Literally down 8x from its all-time high. That never thought I'd see the day again, which is an incredible opportunity and one that everyone, if that did happen, should be looking forward to. You know, it would suck in the short term, right? We'd all sing our kumbayas, but right now, I think a lot of people are looking at the chart like this. All right, let's see. Whataburger is good. Ah, man, dude, if I wanted some shitty burger at a fast food, I'm just gonna get McDubs, man. Wendy's, Five Guys. Guys, what do you think is the best burger in your opinion? Like fast food burger. All right, let me ask you guys this: what is your favorite place out of McDonald's, Burger King, or what? Actually, let me do a poll. This is best fast food. So, best fast food restaurant out of these. We're not gonna do Five Guys. That doesn't count. We're not gonna do some of these other ones. That doesn't count. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Because I'm curious what you guys think. Because I always see people argue about which one's the best. Let me do this. Let me do this. I don't know if you guys have these everywhere, but it's okay. These are the main three. I want you guys to argue about these in the chat, okay? All right, 1558. ETH is still continuing down. Here we go. To work or to eat. McDonald's, Burger King, or Wendy's. What is the best out of those three? Let me know in the chat. I want to know what you guys would prefer if you had to take one of those. Let me know. All right, 15-minute chart. Let's see what we got going on here. We still got a let's see. We still got a blue vector candle here in the 15-minute. We're going to watch that very, very carefully. Very, very carefully here. I think the case for the bulls here in the short term, what you want to see is you want to see that move to the downside, move to the upside, move back out down to this range, and then a continued move to the upside, back up to the 50 EMA. That's what you want to see for the bulls. And I think, honestly, if this area is to hold us support again, right? This 4-hour chart, if this area is to hold us support, this is the case for the bulls, man. You want to come back down, take this wick on this blue vector candle, and then move back up to the 50 EMA. That's the case for the bulls. The case for the bears, you just smack the lows again and kumbaya back to the downside. 4 hours is going to look like trash. It's going to go back down to the downside. And it's going to be a big kumbaya. And then at that point, we're probably coming back down for this wick, man. At that point. So, let's see what happens here short term. But let's see if the vector candles play out, man. All you vector candle haters in the chat. So many of you guys. A lot of you guys are coming around, though. I can see. A lot of you guys are coming around. You guys need to go check out Tino, Traders Reality. I'm going to join his Patreon. I said I was going to do it last night. I forgot the Celtics were on. I'm going to join his Patreon today. So I can keep learning myself, man. That's what I'm doing today. Five Guys is overrated. Harvey's. No, guys, we're not talking about those. We're talking about the three shitty ones, okay? McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy's. The three shitty, you eat, you're going to be on the toilet for 20-minute burger places, man. Let's see what we got. So, best fast food out of these. 38% say McDonald's. Wow. I was not expecting this at all. Maybe it's because a lot of you guys work there. It's a bear market now. I don't know. 38% say McDubs. 31% says Burger King. And 31% say Wendy's. I am shocked. If I had to order these about which one I would want, I would go Wendy's, McDonald's, Burger King. Burger King is by far the worst out of the three. Wendy's and McDonald's, it depends what kind of mood you're in, but I still go Wendy's most of the time. Burger King is the worst one out of the three, 100%. 100%. Don't get me wrong. I like some Burger King. But out of those three, it's literally the worst one, man. I am shocked that McDonald's is number one, man. Shocked. Straight split across the board. Yeah, man. Culver's doesn't count, but it's the best. Yeah. Wendy's doesn't exist in most EU countries, so people don't vote. Facts. That's probably why. Because in the EU, you probably have McDonald's, you probably have Burger King, but Wendy's I feel like is maybe more of a US thing. I don't know. Yes, that's the exact order. Yep, Wendy's, McDubs, Burger King, 100%. Wendy's like these charts. Yep. Perfect orders. There you go. You guys know what's up. Wendy's for their burgers, McDonald's for their fries, and their nuggets. McDonald's has the best nuggets too by far. It's not even close as far as the nuggets go. You know what I'm saying? It's not even freaking close as far as the nuggets go. I like a Whopper and McDonald's fries and Wendy's ice cream. True, man, true. All right, what we got? Okay. Someone. All right, there we go. All right, guys, let's go check out. You know what's interesting? If we actually go to the weekly chart, let's go check out the weekly RSI. Let's see if it's actually at the lows that we might be pretty freaking close to the lows that we've seen in previous bear markets. Let's go check it out real quick. Let's see. Not quite yet, because we kind of moseyed our way up a little bit the last few weeks, but it is coming back down. So this is still showing you have lower to go. Everything based off previous price action still show me that we have lower to go. I'm not switching my thought process just yet, man. I still think we have lower to go. If you look at when Bitcoins typically bounce, it's when the weekly RSI has got oversold, right? Right here. January 2015, you got slightly oversold. That was the bottom. If we actually zoom up here, you guys can see it a little better. I know sometimes I forget that most people don't know the charts by heart like I do. But yeah, right here, January 2015, that was the exact bottom right here, right? You guys can see the RSI oversold, just barely. That popped you back up, right? We had 2018 right here, that you just oversold, just oversold, just barely. That popped you back up, all right? And then the same type of deal. We're very, very close, but not quite there yet. And it's probably the same thing on the monthly. Let's look at the monthly chart real quick. Not this crap. Look at the fake out. This is why you say you gotta wait for the close. Look at the fake out on the 3-day MACD chart. There was so many people talking about this. Oh my God, the 3-day MACD is switching bullish. That's why you gotta wait for the close before we get too excited about that. All right, we talked about this when it happened, but we said we gotta wait for the close to see if it's confirmed. And the 3-day weekly MACD We pushed back to the downside, and you did not get that flip. You did not get that flip. You got a little bit of a fake out flip. All right? So be careful of that. 3-day MACD did not play out. Let's go back to the monthly. Look at that monthly chart, man. This looks bullish. How is this not a... George, you need to admit it's a bear market, man. Look at this monthly chart. It looks like trash. The monthly chart looks like trash, man. Bro. All right, anyways, before I get too carried away here, look at the monthly. We're super, I will say, we're super close. Super close to the... to where you bottomed out. So 43.83 is where you actually bottomed out in the 2 previous bear markets on the RSI as well. You're sitting at a 46.22. So this is showing that you still have a little bit lower to go. Everything I look at showing you still have a lower to go. Nothing's telling me we bottomed out yet. Okay? So take that for what you will. Yeah, man. Still have slightly lower to go. So like the monthly chart looks like trash. I don't see any reason to think it's bottomed out just yet. So still going to wait on this, but I still think we have slightly lower to go based off where the RSI is. We're almost there. We're right freaking there. We're knocking on the freaking door here. So stay vigilant. Same thing on this. Still think we go a little bit lower to the 200 SMA ultimately before we bounce back up. All right, so let's watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still trying to mosey its way back down here. ETH is probably still trying to mosey its way back down. 1554. ETH just continues to mosey its way back down, man. Dump it. Oh, Lord. Wait, what? All the Moon Boys fell for a fake pump to 32K? They said the bull market was back? The Moon Boys on Twitter? Crypto Rova? That Martini guy? They all fell for this fake pump? Oh, you know what to do. You know what to do. Let's go take all the liquidity. Yes, you know what to do. Dump it. No! No! They all told me this was the pump. Where is the June relief rally? They all told me that a June relief rally was coming. Ben Cowan! Ben Cowan! You told me you made a video saying June relief rally. Manipulation. Manipulation. I'm not joining your premium group. No. No. I'm not joining it. Where is the June relief rally? No, you're supposed to be smart. You have a PhD. I follow you because you have a PhD. PhD. Oh, man. It's too funny, man. PhD. All right, let's see. To 28,579. We continuing down. Horse Sky mornings, man. Ah, Lord. I can't believe I'm freaking horse face now. Oh, man. 28,586. Manipulation. It's always manipulation. You notice how it's always... I've been saying this forever. It's always manipulation when the price dumps. It's always natural price action. It's always institutions buying when the price goes up. That's how the crypto market works. There's always has to be an excuse why the price goes down. And when the price goes up, totally natural, no manipulation. It's hilarious, man. It's hilarious. This market, so the longer I've been in this market, the longer I've noticed the absolute bullshit that goes on in this market. And my channel is to sort of sit here and listen. I don't know everything, all right? I'm a freaking clown. I come up here and I'm a clown every single day. But I like my channel to come up here and just talk about the bullshit that goes on in this freaking market, man. All right. The Celtics need to not lose ever again. True. All right, let's see. All right, so Bitcoin's coming back down for the Vector candle. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. Clown? Exactly, man. That's why I'm here, man. I don't got no PhD, but guess what I do have? Some diamond balls. You know? That's what I do got.
My cojones are rock hard.
Okay? The whales come in and scoop up all my coins. There we go. Dan's coming in. Dan, you've been coming in with the straight facts lately. I've been seeing you in the chat, man. You've been coming in with the straight facts. Everything is just what it is. Learn to play the game. Learn to play the game. That's what it is, man. Smartax said just easy. Short in the bear market and long in the bull market. Why are these guys going to make things so complicated? Thank you, Sparta. Thank you, Sparta. That's what I've been saying lately. But hey, it is what it is. Took me a while to learn it. Took me a while to understand the game. But that's the game, man. That's the game. The trend is your friend in the end until crypto. The trend is your friend until the end. The trend is your friend until the end. Okay? The trend is your friend until the end. I'll say it again. So hard a cat couldn't catch it. Alts have only just begun to hurt. True. Anyway, guys, we hit 600 likes on today's stream. I will eat White Castle tomorrow morning on stream. Or not tomorrow morning. That would be brutal for the stomach. All day I'd be like, no, I don't want to do anything today. No, but tomorrow night. All right, Ethereum, 1553. ETH continues to bleed here. Bitcoin, still just kind of moseying its way here. Let's check some other alts. Let me know if there's any alts you guys want to look at. Teju with the 199 super sticker. Good to see you, Teju. Appreciate that, man. Thanks for hanging out, everyone, today, guys. Saturday morning stream. I thought I'd hop on. Crypto market was dumping. I thought I'd hop on. Just talk some charts. I mean, to be honest, for altcoins, guys, altcoins are just dumping, man. And I think, you know, during these times, the only thing you should be looking at for altcoins is places where you think that are good buy opportunities for the long term, okay? I'm not trying to catch any falling knives with any like leverage long positions here on these altcoins, man. I'm not in the business of catching falling knives. But what I'll say is these are the times you should be looking at for spot buy orders for the long-term holds. These are what we should be looking at for these altcoins. I think 1463 might be a long-term hold for ETH. Could be a place where you get a relief rally to the upside. You know, and then we can talk about lower prices as we get there. But man, it's looking brutal. It's looking brutal. Total market cap probably got destroyed. Yeah, look at total market cap, man. Look at total market cap coming back down for that wick. Look at that, man. Total market cap coming down for the wick. Total market cap breaking the previous low. Oh, Lord. Lordy, 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 lordy. Look at total market cap. Bull market coming! No, but let's... I'm kind of being sarcastic here. Yeah, man. I would say for total market cap, if you want to get a little horny, if the bulls want to get a little horny, you know, maybe we could draw some falling wedge here in the long term. It's kind of skeptical, right? You only have 2 touches on the bottom. I don't think this is as terribly accurate, but if you want to get horny, you could draw something like that, which might give you some resemblance of the previous, you know, kind of bottom over here, where you kind of had, you know, a kind of a similar type structure where you had this falling wedge, right, that eventually broke to the upside, right? That's I guess a little bit of hopium for the bulls as you're kind of coming down in the structure here. Very similar to what you're seeing now, where if that did play out similarly, you probably expect to move back down to the bottom here, right? A bounce to the upside, one more move to the bottom, okay, and then the bounce back up. If it was going to play out like last summer, right? This is probably the price action that you would expect, right? Because if you look back at last summer, right, you dumped to the bottom again, you came back up, you came back down again, and then you bounced to the upside. If it was going to play out like last summer, if you want the Wyckoff accumulation, that's what you would kind of expect. Now, is that a little bit of hopium? Maybe, but I think sometimes it's good to have some hopium. You know what I mean? It's good not to be all doom and gloom all the time. So that's a scenario we could look out for total market cap. But either way, this wick is looking juicy to the whales right now, man. A lot of liquidity down there for them to come back down and take before they move it back up, possibly. All right. All right. What else we got? Jordan will survive White Castle? I hope so, man. I hope so. We survive White Castle. It's not winter. We've survived the Ice Age. Yep. True. All right, hold up. Let me refresh. Oh, we're back. Here we go. Let's see. No, it's winter. Bitcoin is trying to get its usual minus 80% dump. I don't think it's going that far. We'll find out, though. We'll find out, man. Listen, at the end of the day, just take advantage of the market the way you can, you know? All right, so let's look at some other. We'll look at some other alts real quick. Like I said, guys, I mean, all the alt charts are gonna look bad. Let's look at AVAX. Look at AVAX in a hot minute, man. Oh Lord, AVAX breaking the lows too. Here we go. Get the dump market. Dump it. Okay, AVAX coming back down, breaking the lows, popping right there. 2136. There goes AVAX. AVAX, if we look left, let's look at some vectors, some liquidity they can come back down and take. So, yeah, you got vector candles all the way back down here to these levels, man. And I think that's right about where you're at now. Yeah. So you would hope in a scenario that these would be levels that they would maybe get some support. You do have vector candles down there, and if you really want to get deep and dirty, I mean, if you want to be honest, they could come all the way back down to this range. So these are the two levels I look at for AVAX for some possible support levels where the whales can push it back down and then bounce it back to the upside, right? These two general ranges right here, right? All the way back down to like 1850. If 1850 breaks, they probably bring it back down to, you know, the $14 range. So watch out for those two ranges, but man, these are some interesting times, man. Interesting times here for AVAX as well. So watch those two levels. I mean, ultimately, the alts are going to be the alts, man. The alts are going to be thy altcoins, and it's the same type of thing. If you want some hopium, man, the hopium is, which it's like we keep saying, guys, it is slight hopium, but the hopium is a longer-term falling wedge pattern that you only have 2 touches on the bottom side. You want one more touch in the bottom to, you know, maybe confirm a little bit more support of this, but man, that's sort of a little bit of hopium there for AVAX in the daily. Is something like this could play out and you get a bounce back to the upside, right? You still would expect slightly lower in this scenario, probably like $19, but that's what I watch out there for AVAX if we were to continue down to the downside, man. All right. Let's see. So Bitcoin's still coming back down, man. You have a blue vector candle down here. You have a few wicks that they can come back up and take. Short term, you're looking for a move down. I'm looking for a move down for Bitcoin. And then the hope for the bulls is a reversal back up to the upside to the 50 EMA. If you come back down here, break the lows again, you're coming lower, right? You're coming lower. And that could be the point where Bitcoin gets the big move, because then you're breaking the previous lows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're breaking the previous lows. And that could be the sentence where Bitcoin really starts to move back down, like we said earlier, guys. So that's what I'm watching here very, very patiently. Very, very patiently. Stop touching bottoms, Jordan. I will touch bottoms when I want to touch bottoms, man. Okay? I will touch bottoms. Am I wrong for gambling Luna Classic over some espresso this morning? No, Ted. Just make sure it's money you can afford to lose. Listen, trading to me is fun, okay? I mostly started doing it because I think it's fun, okay? I use very low leverage, not a lot of money. My trades are very small compared to other people that you watch, okay? Because I mostly do it for fun, right? In reality, I told you guys, I need a little adrenaline rush, and that gives me a little adrenaline rush, man. I'm not out here trading $1 million on 100x leverage and stuff like that. That's stupid in my opinion. As long as you're doing it on low leverage, using stop losses, it's fun, man. It gives you a little bit of hype. Man. Now I told you guys I'm joining Tino Traders Reality's Patreon. I would never do that. You guys know I never would ever do that, because I think most people have no idea what they're talking about. But he does. So as I start to learn more, hopefully I can bring you guys more value as well, and we can have fun and we can actually learn some stuff, you know? So that's what I'm doing. Right now it's still the morning, so you know, I'm still chilling. I'm still chilling this morning. Still waking up this morning, guys, as we watch the market dump. Just more of a chill Saturday stream, man. I like the chill Saturday morning streams. They're kind of nice. They're kind of peaceful, if you ask me. Man. John M. Jordan, 2022. $1 million trades. High leverage is stupid. 2023. Making $1 million trades with high leverage. Hey, if I'm making $1 million trades with high leverage, that probably means I have a shitload of money. So hey, I would not be I would not be mad at that, John. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't hate on that. You know what I'm saying? If someone's making $1 million trades, that means they probably have a decent amount of money. You know, that means they have $1 million. You know what I'm saying? Unless it's the leverage that's getting you to that $1 million level. You know. All right. So still watching this for BTC as we watch here. Bitcoin coming back down. You know, it is what it is, man. Let's see if it comes right back down to the blue vector and bounces. Or see if it comes back down to the blue vector, breaks the lows, and then has a bye, and then I'm a few for you. Then they better send him in the game for 2. It might sound crazy, but Bitcoin's gonna dump. Bye. Wow, that's pretty good. So you're saying dump? Let's see. The best way to make $1 million trading leverage is to start with 2 million. True. Let's see. Yo, we got less than 100 likes before White Castle. Oh, we already have 500 likes, guys. If we get 600 likes on today's stream, right? I'm gonna eat White Castle tomorrow on stream, and you guys can see my stomach hurt. So apparently we're very, very close. I'm not gonna check. All I expect is to get off the stream and see 600 likes. Okay, guys. I'm not gonna do my rant. I'm not gonna do my rant. It's okay. I trust you guys to get the job done. All right, I trust you guys. Altcoins are probably gonna get obliterated here, guys. As Bitcoin starts to come back down, be careful, right? Because as Bitcoin comes back down to take this blue vector, you're gonna see alt start to dump again. All right, so ETH is coming back down, 1548. Here we go on ETH. ETH is probably about to break its lows again. Let's go to the 15-minute on ETH. ETH is already breaking its lows. We got some bullish div on ETH, man. Let's just get rid of the stock RSI here, because that is not helpful at the moment. If we look at ETH on the 15-minute, we got some bullish divergence playing out here, right? Not playing out, but just watch this, right? So you're going to have lower lows. If ETH comes down and makes a lower low again, you're going to have lower lows and you're going to have higher lows on the RSI. So it's the 15-minute, granted, but keep that in mind. I'd probably wait for some type of hourly bullish divergence before I get super, super excited on any type of divergence. But, you know, keep that in mind for Ethereum here. I'm not too worried about 15-minute divergences. I really care about divergence on the hourly time frame and up. But ETH is coming back down to test its lows. So just a quick example on the vector candles here, man. So ETH, right? You move to the upside. You probably thought, all right, ETH is going to reverse to the upside. Woohoo, 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 woohoo. Right? But you had a yellow vector candle here. What did ETH do? Came right back down, took the yellow vector candle, right? So let's see what ETH does now, right? And here's what I would look for, man. If ETH is going to bounce to the upside, you're looking for the classic W, back to the upside, right? If ETH comes back down, breaks the wick low here, it's probably going to make lower lows, right? That's really all I look for, man. If you do the W, I'm looking for a move to the 50 EMA. If you break the lows, I'm looking for lower. It's the same thing on the top side, right? If you go look up on the top side, it's the same type of deal. Let me give you guys, this was all shady price action up here, man. That's why I like it. That was some shady freaking price action, bro. Let me give you guys an example up top here. Some of these were interesting. Some interesting price action up here too, man. Yeah, it's kind of the same thing up here, right? So you had yellow vector candle, blue vector candle. You thought it was going to come back down and take those. You moved to the upside, came back down, moved up again, couldn't break the previous high, so you reverse back to the 50 EMA. That's really it. That's really it. Very simple stuff. Now, right now is a little bit interesting period because everything's dumping. So, like I said, I'm not trying to catch any falling knives, but it is what it is. All right, let's go back to BTC. When Moon, White Castle is a hamburger place. Yeah, it's a shitty hamburger place. It literally tastes like they took the hamburgers, they microwaved them, put shitty onions on that have been sitting in the have been sitting in the fridge. You know, been sitting in the fridge, and then kind of put them on the burger. Put some ketchup that's like moldy. Put it on there. Dip the buns in water and made a burger. That's pretty much what it tastes like, in my opinion. And listen, I'm not picky on my food. Anyone who knows me is I will eat literally anything. I am not picky with my food. For me to say something tastes shitty is very, very bad. I'd eat a piece of dirt if it tastes good. Okay, and I'm being honest. I'm not picky, but that was the shittiest burger I have ever had. Does it taste good? I mean, it's... See, I think McDonald's is one of the best places on earth. So that shows you what kind of food that I like. And I even think that is shitty, okay? Don't tell them my secret White Castle recipe. Joke's on you, they don't use fridges. Yeah. Let's see. That's exactly what it tastes like. Yep. Mud pies were my favorite as a kid. Mud pies? Is that like a lava cake? Oh, no. Mud pies is when they have that white frosting in the middle of the cake, right? That's what that is. Go to White Mana in Jersey City. The original slider place that White Castle imitated. White Mana? Oh, White Mana. Like the Centraland. Okay. Good morning. What's going on, Clint? Good morning, my friend. Is Clint just waking up right now? So you know you had a long night. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How's everyone doing this morning, man? We're just chilling, watching some charts. We talked about a shitload of stuff this morning. So we're just gonna chill, watch some charts as altcoins coming down, and kind of go from there, man. Cream pie. I like those. You guys know the actually let me look at this poll again. Best fast food out of these. 39% says McDonald's, 32% say Wendy's, 29% said Burger King. Okay, so I think most people are voting McDonald's because most people probably only have McDonald's, right? Actually, let me ask mine. Is there Wendy's in Poland?
No, we don't have.
See, so that's probably the reason why. I would say if there was Wendy's everywhere, most people would vote Wendy's. Wendy's is the best out of those three. What? Maybe, yeah. But I think most people vote McDonald's because McDonald's is freaking everywhere, right? I think Burger King is everywhere too, but not as much as McDonald's. So it's kind of a flawed poll, in my opinion. But everyone has different tastes. Have you ever had Wendy's breakfast? I've never had Wendy's breakfast. I've had McDonald's breakfast. When I was a fatty, when I was a super fatty, I used to eat, dude. I literally used to eat 2 sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddles every morning, man. When I was a fatty, 2 sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddles, and sometimes I would get one of those chocolate fraps or one of those mocha fraps too. Every single morning, man. It was bad. Top 5 coins to buy below 28K. Top 5 coins to buy below 28K. You guys want my top 5? All right, let's do a top 5. Bitcoin's coming back down. I'll just name it off the top of my head. So Bitcoin, obviously, number 1. ETH, number 2. Okay, I'm keeping it like that. Those will always be 1 and 2 to me. Number 3, you guys might be surprised, but I actually really like BNB. The way that BNB, comparatively to everything else, has actually held up. I actually really like BNB, and I'll probably be DCA into BNB as Bitcoin comes lower. Because, like I said, I still think Bitcoin comes lower. I'm waiting on alts. All right, that's my plan. I'm sticking to my plan. I'm letting my gut dictate what I want to do. I'm not listening to anyone else. All right, I'm listening to my gut. I think it's important to listen to your gut in this space. BNB is probably number 3, man. Not just because the order. I guess it's kind of because the order. You guys know I stick to high cap coins. Number 4, actually probably be Solana, man. Solana would probably be number 4. All right. Number 5's tough, man. You could say number 5 would probably either be Polygon or Cardano, man. Cardano or Polygon, right? Would probably be number 5. Those ones are probably pretty close, but that would probably be my top 6. Is those my top 6? If you know what I mean. So Train said, nice. Careful, BNB is going to break. It held up well in 2018 as well, but dumped hard late. Oh, I have to go back and look at that, Crane. That's very, very true. Solana? Yeah, Solana, man. Let's see. Solana pump? Solana pump. I saw Solana got wrecked earlier today. I haven't bought any yet. All right, so ETH. Let's see if this plays out, man. Look at this. Look at this juiciness, right? So look at the wick. You came right back down to the yellow vector candle wick. Look at where you're bouncing, man. Well, let's wait for this. Like I said, this is a bullish case scenario. This is the super bullish case scenario. Now you want to see a move back above 1578. You get a move back above 1578. That confirms the W pattern, and you're probably coming back up to the 50 EMA, right? If you get a pump up here, right, and you can't get back over this level here, it means you're probably going to roll back over and come lower, right? So watch that. Nothing's a guarantee. And I think too many people try to trade or they look at the charts with some kind of guarantee. Nothing's guaranteed. You got to take it step by step. Take it step by step. Everyone wants to watch something and be like, all right, Jordan thinks we're going back up to the 50 EMA here. No, I don't know yet. I got to wait for my confirmations before I know that, okay? I think that's what people try to predict too far ahead. You got to wait for your confirmations before you get in any trades. In my personal opinion, that's my trading style. Some people will long right here, hoping that it bounces right away. That's some people's trading style too. Everyone has a different trading style. I like to wait for confirmations before I get into any type of trades. Let's see. All right, so let's see. What do you think of the falling wedge on BTC?
A good buy below $1.75.
Catch a knife, F it. Yeah, Link right now buy is for a 3 or 4x. I'm looking for. There's nothing wrong with Link too, right? Link's still one of the ones that I'm holding, and I might buy some more as we go lower. But what do we know about Link, man? It came true again, right? Link had the pump higher than everything else, right? Not higher, but it pumped percentage-wise more than everything else. And guess what happened? The market came down every single time. I don't know what it is with Link, but every single time Link outperforms the rest of the market, it's a precursor to a big dump in the whole crypto market, okay? I don't know what it is. Every single freaking time it happens, I need to start using that as an indicator. Whenever I see Link pump, it means that the market's going to come back down. How many times have we said this on the channel? We used to say this all the way back last year. Literally every single time Link was like, oh my God, Link's performing so well. You knew a dump was coming, man. It's literally like clockwork. I don't know why, but it's like that. Anyone else notice that? We've talked about that so many freaking times on this channel. All the way back, like in the beginning of last year, we used to say that. Same for XRP. Link pumps, Bitcoin dumps. Yep, every single time. Clint said, what happened to Shilling Kada? I never was Shilling KDA. I just said that I DCA into it, man. A Shilling KD8. I could say the same, Clint. What happened to Shilling Bitcoin, man? I think if I didn't hold Link, I would have children and have a happy life. True. I think if I didn't hold Link, I would have children and have a happy life. That's so miserable, man. That's so miserable. I need Link to see sub 6 again. It's kind of random. Let's see Link. Link. Let's see. Sub 6. You want it sub 6? I could see it coming back down at least over here. Right here, man. The 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Wait, where was I looking at before? Let's see. Right here. What was I looking at before? Oh, it was on the 4 hour chart. But yeah, you have a vector candle here on the 4 hour chart. So I could see it's literally coming back to like $7 at the very, very least. Some people said he's waiting for sub 6K to sort of do your thing. But yeah, man. Hey, if you got your Link short up here, everyone was hating on the Link short. I closed it early, man. In hindsight, it's like, yes, I should have kept my Link short open. But I closed it somewhere around here. Dude, if you're still holding your Link short, congrats, man. That was pretty nice, man. That was pretty nice. I know someone in the chat said earlier that they're still holding their Link short from like 9:45. You're freaking killing it right now, man. That's 21% gain on spot alone. So that's a pretty nice move, man. Congratulations if you're still holding your link short. And really, any altcoin short, if you're holding it right now, congratulations, man. Let's see. Expert Crypto is long gone despite a bear market. Expert Crypto, whatever happened to Expert Crypto, man? There's a lot of different things going around about whatever happened to Expert Crypto. Let's see. Waiting for a delicious link around sub $5. Interesting. Ended my Mir and Soul short, not trusting BTC. Would homer this dump, but took small profits. Interesting. The kid got wrecked with bad leverage and never came back. Interesting. Where's Shib Whale? Word of the day is hindsight. Hindsight. What's the last bull market all-time high for ADA? Last bull market all-time high? I don't know, man. I don't know. Now I can tell you. Last bull market all-time high was like pretty close to $3. I forget the exact amount. It was 3 something. Let me see. Cardino. Let's see Cardino. Cardino. Look at that, man. Cardino, classic M formation that's about to break to the downside. No, Cardano's last, it was 310. 310 was Cardano's all-time high. 310. But everyone wants to shit on it. Guess what? Every other coin is down more. Okay? Cardano is actually holding up better than the likes of like Solana, AVAX, right? All the ones that people are shitting on Cardano for. Cardano is actually holding up better than those. To be fair. Not saying it's holding up, but it's holding up better than those, to be fair. No, but Cardano, man, I mean, this is just textbook M. I actually might put a Cardano shorted. I'm not gonna lie. For like a longer term swing play. But you got the first hit, came back up, took the wick, right? And now you're getting that move back to the downside. Textbook. Right off the 50 EMA on the daily. It's absolutely textbook, man. Absolutely textbook. So now you're looking for a breakdown here of about 53.80-ish, right? If you get that break there, coming back down to the lows, man. Coming back down to the lows. So we'll watch that. We'll watch that. That just looks like another bearish pattern, man. Super bearish. Super bearish. Algo? Yeah, look at Algo. Algo got freaking crushed, too. Let's see. Algo is... Oh, Lord. There goes Algo, too. Thanks for the shout-out, Clint. Appreciate you, man. All right. Let's see. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. If we hit 600 likes, I will eat White Castle on the stream tomorrow night. White Castle on the stream, 600 likes. We're probably pretty close at this point. Appreciate you guys for hanging out. Like I said, we're just hanging out today. Talking Bitcoin and alts. Algo breaking the lows. There it goes, man. GG on Algo. Another one, Algo, you know, people like to shit on Cardano, but Algo is down significantly more than percentage-wise from its highs. And Algo is down. We're not going to count this wick. Let's count these highs. Algo is down about 86% from its highs. And everything is. But, you know, just another example there. People love to shit on Cardano, but there it is, down lower. Algo is, yeah, breaking the lows. GG on Algo. And let's look left. Yeah, so you got a vector candle all the way back down here, back down to here. So you would think that this would be some support, or at least the whale's going to come back down and take this, which I think you come a little bit lower here, at the very, very least, down to at least, I mean, it's a little bit lower, like 33.4 cents. Nothing crazy, man, you know, but let's look left even more. There's really not much besides that. I would say there's a good chance that Algo could hold here, but You never know with Bitcoin, man. If Bitcoin wants to capitulate, there goes algo too. So yeah, right in that range, man. You should have some support in that range. But yeah, algo not looking good either, man. Breaking the lows. Sayonara, suckers. Sayonara, suckers. There it is. All right, here comes Bitcoin. All right. So Bitcoin came back down to get the blue vector candle. All right, there it is. Now we want to see what we do now, right? This is the decision point for Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going to continue lower? If it breaks this wick here, it's going to continue lower. If it doesn't, if it holds here, you're going to get that W formation back up to the 50 EMA. All right? Let's see what freaking happens, man. Let's see. Ethereum. We're not doing moves in hindsight here, man. We're trying to call them live. We don't do hindsight, right? Ethereum, let's check the 15-minute time frame. All right, yeah. So look at Ethereum, man. Ethereum just smashed that low. So we were looking for Ethereum to do the W, but we said if it smashed the lows, you're going to continue down significantly lower. So there it goes, man. There's Ethereum. There is Captain ETH coming back down to the downside. So let's watch ETH 1529 on Ethereum, man. Bitcoin still trying to hold the lows. If those lows break, we go to the 4-hour time frame. Oh, the 4 hour is going to look shady, man. Shady stuff on the 4-hour time frame. Because you're coming back down. You really want to hold this green box. This green box breaks. Dump it. Okay? It's not going to look too good this weekend if that level breaks right there. Or if you want to look at it from the good way, we'll get better buy opportunities, man. There's always a good way you can spin everything in life. All right? If that breaks, maybe we'll get better buy opportunities. What about inflation? I think everyone knows about inflation right now, man. That's why I don't know, man. Listen, I don't see the market bouncing back up right now, man. That's all I'll say. I don't see some full-blown bull market right now. And I'll keep saying every time Bitcoin pumps, man, I will short it because I just don't see the scenario where Bitcoin goes on some massive rally to the upside. Like every single one of these pumps, you got all the bulls coming in the chat, jerking each other off, saying we're going to a new bull market. Both of these pumps. This pump, everyone was jerking off. This pump, everyone was jerking off. Right? And this is like I've been there. I've been there where every single pump I jerk off. Right? All right, I've been there. We've all been there, right? Where every single time Bitcoin pumps, or every time Shiba pumps in Bob's example, we go, bull market's back! Yes! I can finally jerk off again! Right? But that's the case scenario, man. Every single pump is just easy, an easy short at the moment until we get some clarity, man. I don't see the scenario where we go into a bull market right now. Stock markets are getting wrecked. DXY is going absolutely to the moon. Okay? Does this look like Bitcoin's going to go in a bull market to you right now? Come on, man. Look at the DXY. The only hope you have is you get rejected here again, you come back down. Does this look like you're going to the moon right now? Yeah, for the DXY. Right? S&P getting crushed. This look like a bull market to you right now? Come on, man. Well, let's be real. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it 100. All right? We're not going to look at the fear and greed index is clumped up. That means we're going to an all-time high. What kind of shit is that? All right? Let's be real. Let's be real. All right, 28.4. We're seeing if Bitcoin breaks the lows here. Let's see. Ethereum 1523. Still waiting on that at the moment. You guys saying here. Cycle Pearls, KDA, goodbye below 175. I think it is, man. I think it is. For a longer term hold, you got to be okay with it going lower. I expect Bitcoin to go lower, so expect altcoins to go lower, man. That's kind of the scenario I'm looking for, man. Let's see. So, KDA on the daily. Let's see. Jordan, you've grown? I have grown, man. I've actually became slightly realistic and not just the moon boy. You know what I'm saying? All right. So, Cadena. Let's see. Jordan, you've grown. Someone said, Jordan, you've grown. I've grown. I have grown balls. I finally have pubic hairs. All right. A good buy below 175. Listen, just expect this to go lower, man. Like, If you're okay with seeing it drop another 50+%, sure. You can see KDA at the very least coming all the way back down here to like $1. If you're okay with seeing it drop to $1, go for it. If you're not okay with it and you can't stomach it, probably not. So you make your decision. But you do have a vector candle here. It means you have some liquidity for the whales to come back down and take. If you want to buy now, just be okay with the possibility. It's never a guarantee, but just be okay with the possibility of it coming back down into this range. Just be okay with that possibility, because there is a possibility of that. Right? There's definitely a possibility of that. So just be careful here, man. Just be careful. If you're okay with that, you can hold for it, you can stomach it, you can hold for a significant period of time. There's nothing wrong with it. But it always comes down to the three things. Can you hold it long enough? Can you stomach the losses? And is it money you can afford to lose? If none of those things check off, if one of those things doesn't check off, not the time, man. Not the time. Right? All right. So, let's see. You're a man now. I'm selling everything here, said Alpy. No, listen.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
I never agree with panic selling, okay? Because you never know when the actual bottom's going to be, right? And that's why, yes, am I bearish? Would it make sense if I'm bearish to sell now and buy lower? Sure. But you never know really when the bottom is going to be, and I'm not in this to time the bottom with my long-term holds. My long-term holds are my long-term holds. I'm keeping them. I'm keeping those stored away. I'm not touching those, okay? I'm not in the business of timing the bottom as far as my long-term holds, okay? Not at all. I ain't touching those. But, right? You guys can do you. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here's the moment of truth. Will Bitcoin break the wick lows? Or will it do the W reversal? I will say, let's see, man. If it breaks the lows, well, all of a sudden this W turns into a da-da-da-da-da. But let's find out. Let's find out what we get here. The only reason I think that could be a possibility is because we haven't came back up and touched the 50 EMA in a long time. And eventually you got to come back up and touch the 50 EMA. Eventually you do, man. Eventually you do. But let's watch very, very carefully. The only thing I'll say is you have no vector candles on the downside here, which means the whales have, quite frankly, at least on the 15-minute chart, they don't really have a short-term reason to bring it up right now, right? So let's watch this very, very carefully. Let's see if we get this, man. Let's see if we get this. Let's keep this over here so you guys can see. But let's watch this very carefully here. Break? Dan wants it to break, man. Dan wants it to break. But once again, we get the blue vector candle here. We come back down and take it. Almost to a T. But let's see what happens there. ETH, we already know broke. Right? Ethereum 50. Well, look at Ethereum, man.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
15.19 on ETH. All right, you guys know what to do. You know what to do, man. I'll wait for the absolute bottom to sell.
I'm going to buy the top, and I'm going to sell the bottom, guys.
There you go. All right. Don't buy when you're high. That's true. Panucci, what's going on, man? How do you add the vector candles in your chart? Go to Traders Reality, his YouTube channel. You'll see the link in the description. Make sure you watch his channel because he'll teach you how to do it. All right. All right. So, dude, I gotta freaking take a piss. Holy moly, man! Java's still cooking the sock right now. I don't like when he cooks the sock, guys. I don't like when he cooks the sock. Jordan, get ready. Here it comes. Bitcoin's about to hit that final capitulation to 19,000. Get ready. You see the sock? It's nice and white for you. Yes! It's going to be so exciting. Look at me kicking the sock. You need some coffee on it, too. You need some coffee on it. Here you go. There we go. We got some coffee on it. Yes! Yes! It's going to taste so good. I'm so excited for you. But yeah. I'm not excited to eat the sock if it does happen. All right, so far so good. So far so good. Bitcoin's trying to bounce. Let's watch this. Let's watch this in real time, man. Ethereum. Still trying to. Ethereum's looking a little more shady. But, what can you say? What can you say, man? What can you say? Drain the yellow vector. Drain the yellow Vector candle. The Victor candle, man. Bob doesn't even know who Victor is. You know what I mean? Let's see. Eat a stay in sock. All right. Up that stove. Take it easy, man. Your wake up all? Yeah, we can't wake up Bob. We can't wake up Bob's still sleeping right now, man. Bob's still sleeping. Screw Victor. Screw Victor. Screw Victor. Screw Victor. Bob's still sleeping. Bob is still sleeping on the thing. Who's Victor? You guys kill me. All right. Holy moly, man. Oh. You and Marty B, best combo? Let's see. Damn Victor. All right. We're still just watching Bitcoin here, guys. What is it, 11:07? Holy moly, man. We've been chilling for a long time. All right, guys. I'm going to get off here. I got to get off. I'm going to go enjoy my day. I'll catch you guys tomorrow night. Make sure you guys are there. All right. How many likes did we hit today? Did we hit 600 likes? Let's see. Whoa. Someone botted the like? Oh, my God, man. What the hell happened to the likes, bro? Come on, man. Who came in here and botted the likes, bro? Oh, you ruined the whole thing. Oh, Lord, man. Someone came in here and absolutely... You guys, I didn't even know you could do that, bro. Holy moly, man. Is that, am I seeing this legitly? Is this legit? Can you guys see the same thing on your screen? Oh, God, I'm getting off. You cannot leave now? He's saying this isn't joyful. Who came in? What the? I was expecting to see like 600 something likes. What the hell? What are you guys doing, bro? Who came in here and smacked the like button? Good thing I didn't say, oh, I'll eat this many likes for White Castle. Holy moly, man. All right. What the hell, man? That's crazy. You guys are crazy. Well, you guys are not crazy. Someone did that. That's not legit, guys. That's not legit. Okay, 2,000 likes is not legit. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna. Here we go. Just on time. We got the ambulance here. Got the ambulance. Bob's gonna have a heart attack. What? No, ship is dumping. No, my heart. No, turn it. Call the ambulance. Shit. Look at ship. No. All right, Bob, guys, I gotta go save Bob. I'll catch you guys tomorrow at approximately. Okay. I'll catch you guys at approximately 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. We got to get White Castle now because you guys smacked the like button. It's not legit. I would assume that we would have 600 likes anyways, but that's, I guess it's not legit, man. All right. Catch you guys later. Adios, my friends. Peace out. Have a fantastic weekend. Make sure you guys have a plan, all right? Crypto's dumping, but have a plan. Whatever decisions that you make in these times are going to be the times that change your life, whether you don't buy now and you wait, or you buy now, depending on what you think is going to happen next, all right? These are the times you want to pay attention. Pay attention, all right? Catch you guys later. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic sell your crypto. And most of all, guys, don't panic sell your crypto, all right? Adios, my friends. Peace out.